So one of my favorite things is melted brie. So today we're gonna make my own version of melted brie that you have with family and friends with hot peppers, peanuts, and cranberries. My name is Fritz and welcome to my kitchen. So we're gonna start with some bread. We're gonna make some croutons. And what I like about my recipe is that when you're making your croutons, you're gonna be able to put it around the brie and it's gonna cook at the same time as the brie itself. So we're gonna slice it nice and thin. The thicker you slices, the longer it takes to cook. Put some nice thin slices and then we can layer it around the pan. I'm using a cast iron skillet, but if you want, you can put it in a nice ceramic or whatever to help it stay, and you know, when you're gonna have the syrup and the juices, it's gonna stay nice and warm on the inside and not melt everywhere. For our croutons, we're gonna keep it simple. A little bit of olive oil, okay? That's it. You could brush it with some butter, melted butter, clarified butter. You could add some spices to it. I just want to keep it simple because there's going to be a lot of flavor within that brie. So to start with the brie, you're going to start by cutting the cap off. So with the brie, we're going to go around and we're going to cut it open. Beautiful. Look at that. And then now I want to take, it's so simple, this recipe. You can take some thyme with no branch and have it a little bit of everywhere. And then we can chop up some cranberries and some nuts with a little bit of jalapeno peppers. Like, so I have some red ones and some green peppers. It's very festive, it's very Christmassy. This is another savory dish to share that I love. Eating it in front of a wood-burning fire with some friends and family. But be cautious though, it is a little bit spicy. Adding some habanero is very optional. You can put literally anything you want. Once this is chopped up, we can coarsely chop the pine nuts and the cranberry. I will want to add more cranberry in there to give it some little bit more sweetness to it. Perfect. And then now we mix this together. Add it in the cheese. How simple is that? How easy is that? That's it. That's all you need. Before you cover it back, let's add some maple syrup in there. Now you can cover it back up. We're gonna put it in the oven for about 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes at 450. After that, it's gonna be nice, melty, roasty, beautiful. So I'm gonna clean up and I'll see you in 10 minutes. Now that the brie is cooked and everything's done all together, look at that, beautiful croutons. And the brie's nice and melty and bubbly. Oh my god, yes, yes, yes. Let's take a little piece of paper scrub towel, put it on the plate. And this one here like that. And then those nice croutons. Oh yeah. So easy and very quick to do. A nice appetizer for your family and friends. If you want something quick and easy to do, this is a must. This is a gift, you know, brie. You can't go wrong with that. And earlier, while we were discussing about brie and this appetizer specifically, one of my camera guys made the mistake of telling me that he doesn't like brie. So we're gonna have him try this out and he's gonna let me know what he thinks. Okay, so now before we eat, while those croutons are still hot, what I like to do is, this is completely optional, that's why I left it for till the end. You can take your croutons and have raw garlic and just go like this on your croutons. You're gonna have the smell of garlic, the flavor of garlic on the crouton, and it's incredible. It's incredible, but not everybody likes that. I do. I do and mix those beautiful little garlicky croutons. Now, I'm gonna have one of my camera B guy, Jimmy from Lexing Production. They've been amazing filming the videos for me, and he told me that he didn't like brie. So I would love him to try this and let me know if he likes it. We might have a good or a bad reaction, but I want to see his reaction. With some maple. There you go, my guy.
Is this the one?
C'est tout à toi. Si tu le vomis, tu peux le vomir là. Ça passe? Ça passe?
Non, c'est bon.
Ça passe.
Ah, pour vrai, c'est bon. C'est bon.
Ok, good. J'aime ça. Tu vois, le fromage bien fondu, le petit côté sucré du sirop. On vient mettre un peu de sirop sur le dessus. Le petit côté piquant. T'as le thym qui ressort. C'est pas trop piquant. It doesn't taste spicy. It tastes like the habanero poppers. A little bit, but with the brie, a little sweetness, you get that crunchiness, you get that garlicky taste that comes through. Very savory. I like salty. I like salty things, and this is definitely one on top of my list. Amazing. So creamy. Very delightful and amazing. Please try this at home. Like and subscribe. Let me know if you try this recipe at home, and if you click here, you'll find a link to my other video. Let me know what you think. Enjoy. Have a good one.